Hey guys, I want to talk with you about how I use cedar wood. I think this is a little hidden gem of an oil. If you've been to any of the Oil of the Bible classes, you will remember that this was used ceremonially in Bible times, and also for a lot of cleansing rituals and purposes. So I've been thinking of that lately because there's a lot of things that are getting cleansed nowadays and disinfected, if you know what I mean. So I had a sore throat last week. And I did get COVID tested, but the test came back negative, even though they're 80% accurate, I guess. But my throat was, you could tell it was really red. And I thought, why not try cedar wood? It was used for major things in Bible times. I'm just going to take a drop on the back of my throat. So I did, and I did that for like 2-3 days, and it went away. So I was like, wow, maybe this can be used for more than I thought. Cedar wood is generally used for helping you with sleep. A lot of people will just apply it on their forehead at night. It helps your brain to focus. So some people also use it for studying or reading too, because it helps you focus. And somehow it does that when you're ready to sleep too. That's kind of how I explain it. If you're wanting your mind to settle down or focus, it does it in both ways. I know it sounds weird, but that's how it's worked for us. And that's mainly how I've used it over the years, just to help me get a restful night's sleep. But I thought about that. I was remembering what it was used for in ancient times, and it helped my throat tremendously. So if you haven't used this yet, I would suggest it's only $11 when you are a member of Young Living. If you're not a member, look in the description. I'll have instructions on how to become a member. I would not recommend ordering Young Living essential oils on Amazon, because you're not getting what you think you're getting. You may be thinking you're getting Young Living oil, but you may not be. And there's a reason it's sold at a cheaper price. But for $11, you get the big bottle, and it lasts a long time. And it has many wonderful uses. But that's how we use it. Hopefully that's helpful. If you have any questions, let me know, and hope you're staying well.